Yes, we are. We disconnect. And we try right now to fix this. Is still not fixed. Taking positions and show different number on the risk. For example, I put here stop loss, and in the previous position it was showing here $1,000 risk. Exact like that I had it. And yeah, to update you guys, I contact the Trade Locker made announcement for the live accounts to contact the broker. I contact the broker. They say they need to investigate. I forward the screenshot of the Dominic that says, to contact them, because I had put not only on withdraw, but I wouldn't even, when I had here the stop loss, I said, okay, let me remove that, not remove it, to move it in order to not hit it until they fix it. And I go into the server. Many people have the same issue. So
We will see. I gave them the trade IDs, and yeah, they will investigate. Usually, the live accounts doesn't get problems because there are less people funded, and on many prop firms, the funded people are on demo accounts. So on Funder Pro, they are on live accounts. So not only less people, but there are different servers, and they have more like security and the updates, the cool updates. For example, here the alert come into the live accounts first. Now it remains to be seen what they will do. They email me with like customer support that hey, we create a ticket, and they will check it. So hopefully we will get. Oh, okay. Mm, let me. I'm talking with them now. If it goes a little bit up, I will close. I mean, if it goes, fuck, I will close it and talk to them to see what will happen. Hopefully, um, I'm talking right now with the trade locker guys, and I don't see much the chart. How much you have taken from? Oh, price go a little bit up. More for us. Let's take some more. Guys, do you see it a little bit more bluish, the trade locker on that area, for example, here, here, on that, like here, here. This happened today, by the way. They made the update because yesterday was black. Someone asked me here. We have common server with Funded Pro. He doesn't even say hi, hello, how are you, whatever. He have forget everything. He send me message. Total, how much have you taken from Funded Pro? Is Funded Pro legit? And we have common server with Funded Pro with him. I mean, if you haven't seen my messages today that I have sent, I don't know, 20, 30, 50 screenshots, certificates on Funded chat, on Trader chat, and he asked me this, I mean, oh my god. Let's see. Are we going? I mean, even from the losing traders, the losing trades, we don't need them. We make it back. But I mean, the other money I had request payout. At least I wouldn't have moved the stop loss, or you know, um, it would worth because I had like 20,000 drawdown for or something like that. It would worth like to remove the stop loss until they see what's going on. Anyways, let's make something. Price wants to reverse. Now I'm pissed because so I will make 30% today. Now is the time to go and request payout. The 800 USDT. You see, some people think that I don't experience problems as well. As I said, I'm trader just like you guys. My TP, yeah, my guy. So the TP is there is no TP. That's the strategy. No take profit. Just give me that as well. So one is that area, another is maybe that area. We could actually get a huge jump. Which position do you think gold will 2,650? If it doesn't move within the next hour, because in the next 2 hours it can actually go to this area. That's why I'm looking to swing. What did I do? So yeah. Let me request another 800. So I had the request 800 and 950. Doesn't matter. Okay, and from that I got $33, unless it's fixed. And I had made another, I don't know, 3K. Yeah. Ideally, I would want to reduce my risk a little bit more, but as I take in partials, I might be okay. Let's see. Announcements, please. If we get a good push, we will be good. And let's do this. Can we do it? Can we scale more? Should we scale more? No. Even though everything is calculated. Come here. All right, you see here the balance? Now they made the payout really fast. Yes, we wanted that before as well. So let me actually share the screen, guys. Um, give me 1 second here, and I want to show no here and no and here and here. So 457 we see here, receive payout request 56, 453, okay, 800, you see, one approved, and we could see here the certificate. I don't know if you could see it. This is the previous, okay, that we request, they process it now. Let's go on that certificate. $4-minute, second payout. Let's go on that certificate. Another one, 2 minutes and 58 seconds, you see? So 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes, you get the point. Now back to our sweet business. Here, here, and here. And here, how much do I need to lose? I need to lose on the other account about $500. So let me go with the sell. Come on. Okay. Let me go here. Stop loss. How much I wanted? 550. All right, and hopefully we get a push. It's the other account that I made an additional 11,000, the challenge. So I try to lose money to lose 11,000. So I open a sell position. Obviously the price go buy. So a little bit more we need. Come on. Just push. Oh, sell. it goes around here, on the other account I hit the stop loss, which will be good. If it drops, it means the other account is making money. Screen is not moving. Does it move? Yes, it does. Okay, I changed. Yeah, I have two applications open, and that's why I have one challenge and one the live account. That, as we see, 1, 2, 3K request payout. Boom, boom, boom. So I don't remember though here. Do you remember? I don't remember to had here 3K or 2,700. Maybe not. I believe it was about 2,200, but I might be wrong. Anyways, come on. How much we have make here? And yeah, we were a little bit better on here position, but what can we do? It is what it is. Yeah, I have two 200K account. I have one 100K funded. I have 150K that I'm working on, and I have another one 100K that I'm working on. The problem is you can have max 200K account live funded at a time. So in order to change, I need to lose that account in order to change. Yeah, boom. Great, I lose. On the other, I hit the stop loss. Great. Awesome. I managed to lose that 11,000 that I made more. Back to what I was saying. Here, actually, 1,000. Do we need to take it? Yes, why not? You here, let's say stop loss 0. No stop loss. Now, because I'm pissed, I will request one more payout. Give me 1 second and I will, because I do, as you see, I do a lot of things. I reply to messages, I try to send messages, I try to monitor here, taking trades, but now I will be able to focus more. Okay. We request one more payout. If they process it fast, we will be good. Yes. So, one guy told me here that we might be on the sell side. This one, safe. And now we are, if the price move, we can swing those positions and make, you see, oh my God, that was fast. That was fast. For the wrong that they did to us. For that, they process it. Let me actually show to you. That might be the fastest. This. No. Let me show this and then. Okay, this is to motivate you guys. This is to motivate you, nothing more. Okay. Don't take it as a flex. 5. You see here the hour. 5 and 4 minutes. Now it's 5 and 5. I request the payout that I told you. We see here 800, so 20% for them. So they remove 1,000. Have been approved. And here the certificate. It might be 10 seconds, 33 seconds. Like and $33 they made me payout. They give to me payout when, you know, the stop losses happen, the platform glitch. Isn't Jesus is talking to us? I will go not that one. I try to to um to screen capture it. What is that or that? Anyways, as I said, Jesus is talking to us, guys. We will make 33% profit for the day. Hopefully. Oh, let's not do big claims because we need the 10% more. Or not. Should I take it for the stream? Yes. For the stream. For you guys, I didn't want to do it, but I do it for you. Let's take another. I don't know, 0.5. Okay, let's get some more profit. Nice. Let me see. Do you? Yeah. So you could have more fluent. You could have. Oh my God. I'm stupid, guys. I'm sorry. I'm stupid. I'm taking trade, and you probably see this. Oh, okay. Oh man. Yeah. I'm stupid. Yeah. Oh my God. I'm really sorry. You lost probably the best trade of the century right now. Yeah. If you don't tell me, hey, stupid, what are you talking about taking trade for the stream? We see that my mind is all over the place. I'm sorry. So I request at least you saw that I made, in 33 seconds they did the payout. As I said, we'll go to make 33% profit for the day, hopefully, which is an additional 10%. Who knows? We maybe hit it. Even if we hit stop loss, we're not phased by that. Okay, the money are on my Coinbase as well. And Fluent for you, yeah, you could have multiple accounts as a backup, but you could trade live 200k max. Now I didn't use the 200k because the goal of the stream is to take an account, pass the challenge, do the steps as any trader would do. Take an account, pass the challenge, didn't need to do KYC, and taking trades live, get paid live, face the issues that arise as anybody, the frustrations and all that stuff, and essentially you are able to see how I operate live and the issues that I experience, because when I upload a screenshot and say I made $2,000 today, someone think that I didn't face any issues or I have like a special treatment or something, which is not true. And if that thing didn't happen, at least they compensate us by depositing the money fast. I mean, today we don't hit the stop loss. We don't know what this is. I have divorce from the stop loss, and then needed the platform to lag in order to, and as you see, no fear with lagging platform, still taking trades, still digging my grave. Oh my god, how much that is like for 68, 11, and then let's say 16, 17, 2300, 2700 because it has some chips, 3000, 3100, 3400, $3,400 additional loss that I had the request in most of those. Payout didn't happen fast, and still, because it wouldn't be 23, it would be, 27 here percent for the day, right? Let's continue and see here. Here it would be an ideal scenario to actually take this. Yes, take it, doesn't matter. Now, okay, that's good, especially if it goes up. It is good because I can take 1K more or 800. Guys, if you watch the stream, just approve me fast. I'm kidding. Amount 800. Give me that as well. All right. And you don't need to do like $10,000 payout in one go. Obviously, they will need to check that. Come on. Take that fast before I hit the stop loss. Yeah, the lag was, yeah, that was sad, and sad for us that we hit the stop loss and it will go up. Let's put, I saved, no, I didn't. Is it lagging again? Okay, no lagging. Okay. Here it had this thing. I mean, I leave that to hit the stop loss. Let's check here. No, we won't be saved. Too bad. Too bad for me. Come on. Why I believe in the buy so much and burn the money like Conor McGregor. If we get the move though, it It might reverse. It might reverse. I mean, the ideal goal for us would be to also see what will happen with the big loss of 3,400. But because it's live and it doesn't happen that frequently, I don't know what they will do. I shouldn't have moved the... Come on. The stop losses at least. No. If we get the move, we will be good. Otherwise, I will stay with that position until I hit the stop loss and check from there. But there is a high possibility now we get the move. That's why I get some stabs here. That By the way, if this Thunder Pro was like a traditional prop firm, like I don't know, Funded Picks, if I was doing something like that today to them, right now they would cry. they would shut the operations down. They wouldn't have to pay. Yes, hopefully that one probably will go with 100 pips. That would be my ideal. I mean, the ideal is to go 2,650, which is 100 pips actually, and can happen. And if the price leave a little bit here, I will take the partials and see from there. But I see price struggling after that little bit of gap here. to actually move. And I didn't want to scalp. Like, I mean, I could take like 1K but I believe in the push more. Also, the two positions I actually like, especially the second one, the way that I took it. Let's see. I have too many messages to check. Hi to you as well. Luck Hanonili. Is anybody here with that name? Just show the message. Anyways. This hour and the next, we might get a push to pass that area. Hey. No. And we got slipped on the second position for sure. We go now. Should we? Let me put here few of those, and if we pass that area, I believe then we will drop. If we don't, we go here. Ideally, what I would needed to do in that situation is to click on the risk. Let's say I put here 250 and try to execute, and it will tell me here what is the ideal lot size. But too rich today to even, bother. I mean, even the fact that I still trade, even though profit is made, is considered a crime in some parts of the world that they actually know how to trade. They will tell me like, hey, what are you doing? So let me tell you, I trade for you guys, you to see. I put the money and you see how I trade. I'm sorry about laughing, but as you understand, making this money, have connected with a copier, which, uh, could be more. I leave it as that. You would laugh too, trust me. When someone is learning forex, especially gold trading, it's really important to study different partners and chart partner, or it's more important to flow with the market and flow. Yeah. It is important to know chart patterns. I know chart patterns. I use them, but I don't. I have some stuff on my mind, but I don't sit here and say, oh, this is, for example, a trend line. Oh, it will drop. This is a trend line. This is a wedge. This is a flag. I know those stuff. Or another one. by the way, the same thing, two people might see it differently. For example, let's actually learn something until extended line, let's say. Someone might see this as a trend line, which it is. Someone might see this and say, okay, we will go down because there is some pressure here, and every time the price bounce, and they could put the wicks here. I mean, I won't gonna do it, as you know, professionally, but let's do it professionally. Every time that it hit, it goes down. Another one though might say, okay, but here in this trend line, might say here in that area, we have liquidity. So it might make sense the price to shoot up. Another one might say, okay, we have the trend line here. I won't enter, I will wait, okay? I will, because he will say, okay, we'll look. And I'm sorry about the way that I explained to you stuff. Okay, here we have a support, great. We have a trend line, strong trend line. Below, some might say EMAs. Okay, we broke the support, so we go for break and retest. Is it that? Like boom, 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 that it would go. And by doing analysis and see, more um, more pressure, for example, it might be an ideal, like the safer entry to take, safer based on their system, somewhere around here. Okay, someone might be breakout trader going to that candle. So essentially, yes, I know patterns. I have a lot of stuff on my mind. They have different though mindset and different strategy. And yeah, that's that. But it is important in order to be able to flow with the market and do raw price action, because I don't look the EMAs. I don't care, especially on that time frame. I care on 1 hour time frame for the EMAs. Oh, now we might go down. Let's take that. Why to give you the hard-earned money? Let's withdraw another 500 and we will continue the stuff that I say. Boom, boom, boom. Probably they need to hire a person just for me to approve my payouts. $500 payout, and let's hope they will do it faster than 33 seconds. Anyways, by the way, guys, do you understand what I'm saying, or do I speak like Chinese and doesn't make sense? I mean, I could not speak about that. I just could, just take the trade, essentially. Oh. No. Something very important. You don't need to be on every move. Okay? you just need to understand a few things. By the way, right now I'm doing like raw price action with some stuff. I don't even have my trading view open because too many tasks. The software, the email, to do withdrawals, to talk with you guys, to focus on the strategy. On the strategy, I mean, we're just taking random trades, and it happens for us to win. Nothing serious. Let's request another $500. I mean, why not? Let me check. Oh, I will hit. What could I have done? How many payouts I have done today? Today, guys, I might have done a lot. 1, 2. 16 payouts and 1 payout still pending. We're talking about almost 17 payouts. And I mean, as you understand, every time I request 1, 2K, 500, 900. Yeah, I mean, my guy, this is for you. You see that I don't leave money inside in the account. I take them. It is very important because this is how you manage your risk. How many times you have analyze your trades, not your trades, your account. How many times you have go like 102K and then you lost that. You are back to 100K. At least right now, if I take the 2K, put them on my pocket, I will have money on my pocket. And let's say, okay, but regardless, you will lose that 2%, the 2K. Okay, from 100K, I will go 98K, which it could have happened anyways, and I will stop at 96 or, close to 95. But if you leave it inside, here is what might happen: to lose the 2K and lose another 5%. At least right now, okay, and you have 2K, which is 4 additional, tries to, lose 4 accounts essentially. But if you don't take the money and you lose them to the markets, you will need to go out to work, make money in order to reinvest back to challenge, which means more money from you need to put from your pocket, more energy, more effort, more psychological. It might take you down, more psychological, like, oh, what's going on? Why haven't make it yet? What would be, many things. I don't. Maybe it makes sense, maybe it doesn't. But if it's about to lose, it's better to lose and have at least take the money into your pocket. Plus, when you take the money into your pocket, you would say, okay, I will wait, maybe risk 1%. But if you risk 1% when you have 102K, right, you lose, and you lose the 1K, your profit. I don't want to lose my profit. I want to lose from their capital. This is how you leverage the account. I don't give my profit back to the market. Even I don't care, even though that they provide the capital, I don't care. This is my profit. I consider it mine. Okay, I will start, taking trades. And when you have bigger balance, it's easier to get into the trap to, taking more trades and reinvest and do that type of stuff. And if the account return to 100K, you don't get anything. So isn't it better to take the money on pocket and, go again? For me, on every payout, it is like, oh, I'm starting the challenge from start. I'm starting a challenge. This is how relaxed I am. A lot of people, they are relaxed initially in the challenge. When they are about to finish, they are afraid. They have a lot of fear. And when they are unfunded, they are so tense that they lose their account within 3 days or within 1 week. Okay, if that happened to you, maybe I'm talking bullshit just to waste time. No, I don't. You see, I am relaxed, and not just today, in every, stream, because something very important. Let me give you one more tip here. So the tip is to trade the same way the challenge and the funded account. 100% of the people that have losing and they are losers into that, and they don't get, it doesn't make sense to be able to make 10% to pass and not be able to make 10%, not in a day, in general, in a payout, in a month, and not be able to make 10% normally. That would mean that on challenge you trade better than on live, which should be the exact opposite. On the live, you should trade better, because this is what counts. Challenge is about, to pass it. Great. But the real work starts when you become funded. For me, I trade the same way, the same stop loss, the same lot. A lot of people, they say, oh, it's a challenge, let me put a lot of risk to pass it fast. And then when I became funded, I will go with lower lots. No, you don't. No, you won't. And yes, you will lose the account. And it will take you 2-3 trades to, to lose 2-3 trades to say, oh, let me, let me change, for example. Let me put more risk. And it's easier for them to lose. Another 2%. Great. Let's take a buy. Actually, I didn't want it here, to be honest, and that is bigger. My stop loss doesn't matter. Maybe I'm safe. Something very important. So we won't lose track is the request payout. Yes, it will like, I will like that. I would love that. And you see, I capitalize on the small movement here. Then I said, essentially, sometimes I marry the move, not always. Like I stay with my bias, but I'm also able to change my bias on the fly. For example, yes, I believe it will go here, it will close here, but maybe in order to go here, it might the price go like that. And then go like that. So I'm able to capitalize also on the smaller moves. Like this one. Oh no, 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 no. Let's see. If it fly right now, especially from here to 50, it's like 150 pips. It's like 3,000 more. All right, we are here. We are sitting at 24-25% for the day. Not too shabby, not bad. If it was 200K account, it would be 50K for the day. Not many people can do that on a single account with the amount that we risk. We don't put like 2, 3. You know, it's funded. They probably on Funder Pro office right now, they probably open some tequilas and some vodkas with the profit that they have made from me. Even the broker, let me check the broker. Yeah, the broker, maybe he's on a martini, a little bit cheaper. I should have took break even. Damn it, yeah. Now it can fly. Another thing is, I say that it can fly because as the time passing, the market will actually slow down, and because I expect to close here and not to 2,600, okay, I can say okay, it can go. Otherwise, that area don't have it like, oh, it's strong area. It's nothing. It can easily, break. Okay. Also here, it actually goes into the area that gold plays essentially all day in that area. But right now it can go up. And it can go up to here, find a strong, let's say, resistance, and return here. And close here. It would be ideal to go here, but maybe, close here and with the Monday open a little bit higher and then drop. The same thing happened here in Monday. Another thing very, very important is here it closed the Friday. Here it opened, and probably gold made all those moves essentially at the end of the week, this week, to close at the exact same spot that opened. So someone that taking, trades, he might, lose money, won money, and stuff like that. But if he kept it for the entire week, he might see like zero change in the balance at the same area. It can happen. I'm not saying it will happen, but it can happen actually, especially if it push now in the last 13 minutes on that candle. Okay, it's an idea, which I would like that idea. And I would like more if the broker actually do the payout. What made you choose? It moves a lot. It moves faster. You need smaller move to make money. It is more manipulated because even though every country have their own currency and influenced by a lot of things, everybody and every country invest in gold because everybody want that in case shit hit the fan, essentially, if the country is going to bankrupt. Also, don't forget that every country owns money to other countries, and because they print also money, essentially they are, you know, they 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 own money to somebody. Let's just leave it like that. So, in order this to be avoided, and say, what would stop them to, print money indefinitely? They need to have something in order to pay, because they might say, oh, America, for example, they own 35 trillions. Okay, let's print 35 trillions and let's give them. It won't work like that because it also need to have some physical assets. Companies, maybe electricity, maybe gold, physical stuff. Also, gold is, for example, a very good hedge because let's say the oil goes down. Well, you can leverage and hedge your position, and I'm not talking about trading. I'm talking about how the government run to have also gold reserves. You need to have both, or let's say the ones that owns the majority of the gold, is better equipped, let's say, for the other countries to not attack them. For example, we have the war with Russia, Ukraine. Why not everybody go, for example, because the narrative is Russia the invader. A lot of people, they don't know the history, what's going on, and I'm not trying to say I know better. I know a lot of things. The thing is, since everybody will say Putin is the invader, for example, right? Why not everybody go and attack Putin and, eradicate Russia from the map if we don't want them? You might say, oh, it's like connections and stuff like that. No, it's not, because now there are more countries, and the USA also is and have partnerships with the NATO, and other countries. Why we don't go everybody to attack to Russia, for example? Because they buy aggressively gold. Not many people know about that. They try to, not they try, they put them out of the payment system. Why they are not, losing all their money and stuff like that? Because they have some assets like gas, gold that they buy. And their main partnership is with China, which China is almost bankrupt. Okay. So gold, because everybody wants gold, this is what the oversimplify, okay, because everybody want gold. That's why it moved. And not only the countries, but also the institutions, hedge funds, mutual funds, banks as well. Uh, so everybody wanted, so it moved. That's why we could see this candle to be from 24 to 38, $10, $14, which is 140 pips, and a currency pair like, I don't know, Euro GBP might not move 150 pips, not even in news, but for weeks. Okay, it's more manipulated. Nice. You lose half of the stuff that I was saying. 7 minutes. Can we close strong, even though we don't see enough push, enough momentum? Yeah, yeah, of course. Hmm. 'I learn trading from ICT. I am too dedicated towards it, but being student, I don't have. I want someone that can. Come on, man. 5 minutes. Will we get the push? We will. And the next candle will be pushed even harder. Hopefully. Do you know why I request? Do you wanna know why I request frequently payouts? Because I want the workers, the people that work on Funder Pro, to not stay relaxed, not even for a few minutes. I want them to do always something. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. The guy that approved the payouts, probably he needs a raise. He is working overtime. to approve just my payouts, not today, like almost every day. Last 3 minutes. I still cannot believe how I lost so much on the lag. I wanted it was lag and still I was taking trades. That would be like I would needed a slap in the face. What are you doing? Wait. FOMO, just to not lose the move. Hopefully he doesn't get cut from salary for approving your payouts. Hopefully I will leave something for the rest. Oh my god. They have like a Funded Pro like live TV that they do something not similar, the same, the exact same thing. They live stream, but they live stream for 2 hours for the session. Me, I mean, this is like 1.5 hours, but yeah, I can do like the session, whatever. The thing that I don't like is they put, for example, the area, let's say that they mark, for example, not those, every stream that I have watched. Let's say they mark that area, something like this. And the price is there. And they are staying and talk and talk and talk. No, I cannot do that. I'm addicted. Smart. Let's do it. Hour. For example, to the what do you mean static? Maybe my sound is having problems. Everything have problems today. Trade locker, everything. Oh. Hmm. My friend Lack Hanonli. Lack Hanonli. The answer is no. Just to let you know. And it's no, not only because I don't believe in you, which I don't know you, so I don't believe in you, but because you're telling me that that you learn from ITC, probably you wanna say ICT, and you learn from him. And yeah, the answer is no. Because now, even if I wanted to believe in you, I can't. I can't. Do you guys trade ICT stuff? And I'm not hating the guy and stuff like that, because I don't care. I do my own thing. But the reality is, do you actually, let me see, do you trade, yeah, do you trade ICT stuff, ICT concepts and stuff like that? Let's talk about this for a second. If you trade that, you need to stop. Not because I say so, because the data show that it's not good. We know 95% of the traders struggle. That's a fact. And we know that from the prop firm. If you go into the broker, even the brokers, they say that. And we know 90, let's say 90%, which is even more. 90% they try to do ICT. Now from me, okay, if I see like, okay, 90% of the people are struggling and the vast majority is doing that concept, I mean, obviously it's something that needs to be avoided. Okay, now why people go to him? Because they want to learn stuff for free. It's not bad someone that want to learn for free. It's not bad someone to start from somewhere. But here is not like making the money from the actual trading. He's making the money off of you, not just by paying, but from YouTube. So he puts a lot of content. You guys watch that because you want to learn something for free, okay, or something, at least something on YouTube. And essentially, he get paid, you get duped, essentially. And but you consider that it is cheaper, not you specifically, because you guys might not even do ICT, but you might have heard of him. You think it's cheaper because you don't have like a coach or a course or whatever. And the problem is that you spend the money on challenges. And the definition of insanity is to do the same thing over and over and over and expecting different result. If a strategy doesn't work at that period of time, because something very important, okay, the price will go either here or here. It's gonna go either up or down. There is no other way. Okay, every concept works, but works at periods of time. Maybe right now it's not favorable for that system. Maybe it's more of a trending. Why? Because we have the war, multiple wars, multiple attempts about nuclear, World War III. You know how it is. And we are coming from COVID. So gold is trending from 2000, 2100, which was the max, and usually was trending at 1700. And now we are at 1700. 2,700, I'm sorry, and we are looking to go to 3,000. So this, 3-4 years is more for a trend trading, not a lot of consolidation. Even the beginning of the year, okay, gold, let me put like that. okay, this is daily, each one daily, we can clearly see that we are on, especially from February 24, okay, we can clearly see that we are on an uptrend. So it's not like we have a year that is like that, flat, like that. So maybe at the time that he was shooting the videos, it was working. Now it's not favorable. Like it or not, those are the facts. Yeah, user 22991. Thanks for the emoji. Come on, Thunder Bro. Do the payout. Don't leave me to hit the stop loss. At least if I hit the stop loss, I will hit the one. Did we hit 25%? I have a good idea. How about Monday we do another 25%? We do a marathon stream. I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Yeah, this is slower. Yeah, hi Marco. Yep. I have specific strategy that I break the rules all the time, though. All the time. Why? Because I'm not patient enough. I haven't exercised that. Essentially, it is price action, a little bit specific stuff. Sometimes I combine some patterns, for example, let's say trend lines. Or I see that we have trend line here, so maybe some scenario is probable. Also, a lot of matter plays the time of the day. Like, for example, today, Friday, markets are about to close, volume goes down, volatility goes down. You won't get a lot of momentum. Trade and pray. Exactly. Exactly. I have 2 videos about this. And yeah. For example, right now I chase the trade. For example, the second trade that I took, it was a plain stupid trade. This one. Why it was stupid? Because I already have one here. So it's on the same spot. Why to risk more? Especially if I hit stop loss on both. It was a stupid. I chased the trade. Why? Because I exit on the previous. That trade was stupid. Also, so it doesn't make sense to have them on the same spot unless there is scaling opportunity. Right now there wasn't, especially that candle that was going up was at that spot. I could have moved my stop loss here instead of taking the position. At least I know my mistakes and I can understand them. Like, oh, what did I do? One mistake is that I'm trading without have got yet the payout, but it's okay. No, yeah. I have seen, and I have downloaded 3 of those. One is with like a animated person. One is with an Indian guy. I mean, I have seen quite a few. I have seen one video with like Jerome Powell that is on the phone. Someone, not Jerome Powell, someone is on the phone like, hey, dump it. Oh, did he now sell? Okay, raise it, bought it. And like how the smart money, sort of speak, try to trick the retail trader. Yeah. $25. Let's go. What do we need? Another 6,000. 8,000 would be more ideal, actually, to make 33%. With the amount of payouts that I have taken today on crypto, probably the system is down. I made the block, I broke the blockchain overload, not by having large payouts, but a lot small ones. What am I saying? I'm kidding, guys. Just joking around. Just joking around. By the way, one of those days I will bring on the stream some friends of mine. one guy from Germany, and some other guys. We will take trades together on different brokers just to I don't know if you hear background noise. My kid play a game. He should start play with the charts though, but he's too young. Those. By the way, here you could see my wins, my losses. Those are. It wasn't my fault entirely, and it would be if it was my fault, it would be way lower because we could see here the amount that I lose, and here is like double every time. You see? This was a slippage. Anyways, we will see if they revert those trades or reverse or remove some, maybe half of half. I get half the like hit like my normal stop loss. I don't know how they will operate. It would suck if I hadn't made that profit, and let's say I had like a 25k account or 50k or 100k, and I didn't have made the profit and get 3%, 3.5%, loss out of nowhere. It would suck. Now we will probably account for everything. And I mean, I don't know. I will wait from them. We only thing that we know is Trade Locker says like, hey, if you have, they made announcement, we have problem with the live accounts. On that time, if you experience issues and made losses, contact with the broker. I contact with the broker, not the broker, the prop firm. I gave them the transaction IDs. They will need to look at those, and we will see. Otherwise, it would have been like 2,000 more in payouts plus the balance here bigger. but the payout I had already made it. Then withdraw. Yeah, it wasn't just me. I don't know if you have access on the Trade Locker, which server Discord, which I highly suggest, because this there is user feedback. They don't actually know that, let's say, the demo platform is down, or the demo on that broker, on that firm, because they don't have just one server, obviously. So if other people don't comment like, hey, I tried to log in, I cannot, how they will know it? By the time they will see it, it will be too late. So we go there, we write the problem, and if, let's say, 10-20 people write that, sometimes happen within 5 minutes, because everybody trade. They have, like, I don't know, 50,000 people, 100,000. So at all times, everybody, someone would trade. So yeah. Yes. Actually, this is a good idea. You will know, for example, faster than the broker or the prop firm. Let me see. How do I share the link? That is very important. You see, I'm not a technology person. Privacy settings, what? Um, Server boost, all channels, notification, privacy. Maybe I cannot share the link. Let me do it the getaway, which is to go in Google, type Trade Logger Discord, and I will find a link that they will say, hey, join on Discord. Copy. Here. Gold is pumping. Finally. Should we take something? Yes, we should. Why not? And let's actually zero risk. Let's see. Moment of truth. Either we'll have a push here or nothing. Great. Should I take it? That is the big question. Should I take it or not? Yeah. Let's hit the stop loss and evaluate. They don't even know what they are talking about. They have zero clue. Too sharp. And I'm sorry if I butcher your name. Okay. Now, a lot of people, they say risk reward, high risk reward, like to risk a lot to make a lot. No. Why to risk a lot? If you lose a lot. And you cannot lose many times a lot. Sometimes only one time to lose a lot is enough to never recover. Okay? My views on risk reward is the absolute correct ones, which is to risk little to make a lot. This is what someone wants, to risk little or at least moderate and not risk a lot, like high risk, high reward. Small risk, high reward. And how you do that is by become a better trader and not increase your win rate. That shouldn't be the first thing. Okay, now I'm giving some secrets. Not increase win rate. Because you might have a strategy that you get 95% win rate. I mean, even, even 99, and it still be a losing system. Because if I put 100 pips stop loss for 10 pips profit, okay, that would be, and even if I win 9 times out of 10, and so I win 90 pips, one time I hit the stop loss, I lose 100 pips. Even if I win, let's say, 95 times out of 100, still I would be loser, not winner, because with the commissions and the fees, you would lose. So you don't want to increase the win rate initially. You want to do that because plays part, but secondary part. Okay. The most important thing and the first thing that someone should absolutely focus is to work on tighter stop loss. A lot of people, they put a big stop loss in order to not hit it that frequently. Okay. Now those people, they absolutely don't know what they're doing. Let's actually take that. Even if it goes up, I believe it will go first down to get a liquidity grab. But who knows? Maybe I'm wrong. It doesn't matter. Work on tighter stop loss. To give you an example, let's have here a buy. Nice. I will hit the stop loss. Great. Let's say here I take that buy. Okay. I risk $10 or $100. If I hit the stop loss, I lose 100. If I hit the take profit, I make 100. But if I am more precise on my trade, and still let's say I will risk $100. Whatever happens, this is how much I want to risk per trade. Okay? Doesn't matter if I have my stop loss here or here or here, still I risk 100. And if you become more precise, and let's say you have it here, the stop loss, okay, you will make 2.7. You will make double the money with having the exact same risk in money, which means even if you hit double the times, not double, but a lot more times the stop loss, okay, you will still be profitable. Okay, now if you are mindful enough and also move the stop loss fast to break even and taking partials, that the amount of times that you will hit it, it would be way lower. So, you know, you will make it will be way more profitable to even when you hit the stop loss. Because if I have a trade and let's say the stop loss is like that and goes here, let's say I have the target here, let's say I don't hit the target, okay, let's say the trade ran up to here, okay, it makes 3R, 3% my money, okay, and then let's say reverse. When it goes here and makes 3-4 times my money, okay, if I take 1R out, essentially my risk, even when I hit it without even putting break even, whatever I have risk, okay, I have taken by taking 33%, let's say 30%. Okay, now when I hit it, because I have taken here a partial, I won't even lose the 1R. I will lose 0.65. I don't know if I explain it correctly. But it would be profitable even when you hit the stop loss. Obviously need deeper analysis and like educate you more properly, but let's actually do it. Come on. Come on. Boom. Remove drawings. If we hit the stop loss, doesn't matter. You will not get phased by that. Now, if I put the take profit, let's say here, I risk 150 and make 900. But if it came about here and take actual 30%, I will take more than the risk that I have here. Let's have it here. Yeah, I mean, I can do a specific video way more analytical about this and you will understand it better. But the overall, what you need to understand is that you need to work on lowering the stop loss first. When you do that, okay, then you work to increase your win rate. Okay, last time I hit the stop loss, I don't know, 100 times. 150 and still made profit and withdraws with 100 times more to hit the stop loss. And if you you weren't here last time, otherwise I will remember that there were guys from the stream and watch it, like hitting the one stop after another. Who can actually hit the stop loss? Let's say not 100 times. Let's just say 20 times in one day, in one session, or in one day, and still have saved that, not save, not even worry about to lose the account. Not many can do that. Which means I have worked more on having tighter stop loss. And I exit the buy, and now I got punished. But fear not. Fear not. We might. I mean, we go to 2,650. Should I do it? Yeah, yeah. Let's play. It's like playing. It's like gambling. No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. Now here I haven't take a good entry here. I mean, it's still good. I mean, 10 pips. 10 pips, is it 10 or entry is here, stop loss is here. So it's 15, 17 pips. Let me check the spread. Yeah, 16 pips. Not the greatest, not the worst. I mean, 10 pips and 15 pips on gold is it's crazy. Now, the ideal scenario is to move fast up, which it won't. Actually, let me save it a little bit, just because I took a really bad entry. I should at least waiting this to be taken. Yeah, the ideal scenario is to go around here, take the profit, put break even on the other position, and call it a day. It's kind of given where the price is right now. Okay, to someone to say, oh, it will go to 2,600. Market is about to close and it's closer to 2,650. The most probable scenario is to go to the closest area. Also, we don't need a big move to make money when you have small stop loss. If it goes here, for example, this position will have made my my risk. What? I thought that we disconnect. What the fuck happened? Did it disconnect and Probably they can reappear. Let's see. Let's put everything here close. Here. Reply. Replying to some messages, guys. I mean, we will hit the stop loss, but I put it in case it ran fast. Let's see. I don't know, to be honest. I'm going with the flow. Maybe London, maybe USA. I mean, depending the mood, essentially. The thing that I will trade, that's a given. All right, that is a given. There is no day that I don't trade. When I was younger, I was so addictive. I was even trading on weekends on Bitcoin. Now I have done that like 5 times this year. Okay, so do you disconnect? Yeah. So depending the mood. If there is interest, I mean, sure, why not? Maybe we take a pair. I mean, some pairs, I have taken them with 0.7 pips stop loss, less than a pip. Also, on a pair, because it has higher leverage on Forex, less leverage on metals and commodities on metals, and less leverage on crypto. When you go with, let's say, 2 pips, 3 pips, 1 pip on Forex pair, you could actually put like 40 lots, 50 lots. Imagine to run that for, I don't know, 20 pips, 30 pips. Not much pressure to go to 2650. That it will go today, I believe it is given at that point, but it might drop here 1 hour and then not maybe here, maybe here. But I don't want to change my stop loss. But it has a tough time to pass this area. Maybe now. Yeah, awesome. Um, um, as I was looking, keep in mind I'm new into all that stuff, but as I was looking into the settings, I see that I have the option to put it in advance on the channel that, this day, this time I will, stream, for example, and it has like a countdown timer or something like that. I was looking the options. I will look at that the weekend, so I will be able to set up the streams, in advance. And if there is option to plan it, like to put 10 streams at those times, that would be sweet, actually. Did you guys took trades as well with me? I know there might be some delay, but did you take trades? Did you were on profit, on loss, break even, lose a little bit, win a little bit, exit the drawdown, like, or just watching the stream? Oh yeah, that's good. Also, keep in mind those days with NFP and CPI news are better to be avoided because a lot of people, losing their accounts. It's better to. I mean, on the other challenge account, I did a messed up because, as you see, I don't put take profit. I exit manually, and the trade was going, and I made 11,000 above the target. So I needed to lose that, and I was taking trades to lose. Go 500 in drawdown, close it, open again, 5 lots, 3 lots. Go, and some trades go in profit, and I open more trades just to get a loss. I was trying to get a loss of 11,000, which I did. So yeah, those days that market move on very high impact news is better to be avoided. I mean, today I trade even though I had huge profit, and I the platform lag. What can we do? Nothing. Tushar. Okay. Monday, here is what I will do. I will put money out of my pocket, and I will either buy, depending how many people they are. Okay. I will buy few accounts, and I will put it like a draft or something, and whoever wins. You know, I won't put just one though, because let's be real. You are like 10 people, 5 people, 20 people, not that many. Um, if I put like on a draft like 3, 4 accounts, almost everybody will win. If you don't win that time, maybe you win the next time. Great. Now it's about to happen. Yeah. Yeah. Hopefully. What? Let me check. Uh, let's wait. Let's wait. I'll take you here. Let's reinvest. The profit. I mean, if it goes up here, I would have made, the same, what I lost essentially. If it goes there. Nope. Great. Let's find the right spot. That candle can go up, or it can go up to here, and then here actually. Let me save this position because I believe more in that. And if it drops a little bit, I will scale a little bit more. Yeah. Because the new hour candle just opened, and we are about, let's try one more of this. The last 5 minutes was a big push, drop, but it can, all that candle can reverse. So if it goes here, we would be at 2K, for example. Whatever we lose, a little bit more maybe. Yeah. You talk about like that. Yeah. In order to see the equity, what? Let's scale one more. That might be the move. What do you mean instead of all closed positions? I mean, I am on position. Talk about that. This is the all close positions. You talk about that probably to be. It may be lagging or something. No, he's talking about that view, to be here or here or here or here or here. He probably meant to be that here, to see the positions. Other thing I cannot do to rearrange those stuff in the platform. Yeah. Now, as it goes up, we will make what we lost. We were about 2,000. I mean, even without the last position, about 2,000. And if we go to 50, that would be cool. If not, that won't be cool. It might reverse the entire 1 hour candle. Let's put this in case. Above here. Here. Doesn't matter the targets that I put. Because I will exit and take partials manually. But in case, because it's gold, I mean, out of nowhere, it can move, 20, 30, 40 pips, not 40, 200, 300 pips, $20, $30, I wanted to say. So, yeah, even though I will take partials and exit manually, I am ready in case it does a huge move. And in fact, let me put this even higher, maybe 70 there. No, 69 here. And if it happens, it happens. The time that I had one broker and changed the domain, which I made 100K on one day. And let me find the screenshot, and you will see it. Give me 1 second. Desktop, and then let me find one image here, and you will see it wasn't like that. You will see it, don't worry, because it was Something very specific. Maybe put it. Yes, this is how. No. And let's see how can I share my screen. Let me make it a little bit bigger. What? And then I go here and then change window. We will return back to that. So guys, are you ready? Must. What? Let me know if the image came. Yeah, I'm trying to see how I put it here. How can I share it? Fuck. Settings, no. If I take the screenshot, can I share that? Give me 1 second. And I don't see the other thread. Ah, okay, it's moving. Let me take a screenshot and maybe we will be able to see it. All right, and then all right, and then no, you. Why? Great. Do you see it now? My screen? Transform. Have it come? Have it came? All right. Now, give me 1 second to check the account. Okay. Now, if we look down, it has some red lines. Pay close attention, guys. You will notice a lot of things. You will see, if you see the lines below, each one is an instance of MetaTrader 5. You will recognize some brokers. Luck, do you see the screen now? Great. You will see below, it has some, the first is one broker, the second is a very known prop firm, the third one is a very known prop firm that I was on the leaderboard every 2 weeks. The other one is again another big broker. The other one is again because you couldn't combine accounts, you needed to buy, for example, 200 and 200. And then again, if you look the red lines below that I kinda point on the bottom, all those, if you count them, are like 10 brokers. And somewhere in the middle, there is like a blue thing that doesn't have a red line, which is a copier, the copier that I used to do. 10 accounts on prop firms with a copier, and just to solve the ones that doesn't know, which I believe you know, Fidelcrest, FTMO, True Forex Funds, the 5%ers, FTMO, True Forex Funds. Then it is the copier, My Forex Funds, Fidelcrest, and something else. And then the other two on the all the way to the right is the funded trader. And if you see on that manually, the conditions, guys, were the worst. The spreads were the worst. You open the position and it was opening on a completely different spot. Okay, and yeah, that was the profit in one day. And I had like two accounts, and I took one stop loss on the one on MetaTrader 5. I get way less stop losses even on worse conditions, and yeah. And after 11 days, that's supposed to pay me. That is the based on one day. If you look, okay, it has the dates manually. Okay, everybody were trying to scam the system with, bots and stuff like that. Didn't need to do that. I don't need to do. I mean, you see, manually I trade. So yeah, let me check the. Okay, and oh my God, why drop again? Go up. We want up and away. Anyways, and I used to connect everything. Of course, the copier use a smart system to see, okay, this is 1 million account, this is 200,000. So to open the correct lot size, something called lot size multiplier, essentially taking the correct lot size regarding the account. Yeah, 10 accounts connected, and this was one of the best days. Yeah. So to respond, the biggest position was 73 lots. Okay. That's I believe that's it. Have nothing more to add. If you ask if they pay, no, they never pay. Around 700K, it was the total for 11 days. So, yeah. Let me go back to this, and then this, and then this. Yep. Boom. Transform. Fit. Yeah, fit. Okay. And that's it. And now hopefully we will get the push. I could have the exit. And that was the best day in terms of profit, in terms of very few positions, one stop loss, and yeah, that's it. And by the way, that prop firm then changed the domain, didn't want to refund either. They told me like, hey, no money, bye-bye. So I needed to dispute that transaction. Which the sad part is they try to fight it because they say like, oh, we provide the account, but they didn't provide the profits. While the account when you buy is the first phase demo essentially, so they can claim they gave what you bought essentially. Yeah, that's it. But I won the case. Won the case, lost the profit from that firm. And the name was Fidelcrest, just if someone is wondering. And they changed the extension at the end. I wanted to get a move up. I don't think we will get it. In about 30 minutes, I will need to leave the house. So I will cut the stream. Hope you guys learned some stuff, see, understand, and hopefully you become better traders and Let's hope for the push. Next candle open, push up, exit 2 positions. And go from there. Like that, I have it that close here. Let me put it here. I believe on the last 30 seconds it will come here, and then the next one will drop, and so essentially I need to be ready. Let's see. I mean, it will drop. How much is that risk? Let's put it here. Let me check the email in case Funder Pro have a reply. No, they haven't. Okay, no, they haven't. Mm-hmm. even though the uh, price, let's say it goes into my way without many positions and goes somewhere around here, because the account is normal, I'm forced to close the positions. I cannot keep, for example, one with, let's say, break even and to be here, and you know, I'm forced essentially to close. And keep in mind, in that candle, actually, I had exit my buys and enter sell. I was seeing the pressure, but didn't commit to that move. If I was taking one more, I mean, it did drop 50 pips. It doesn't matter. Probably I have maybe 100, maybe more, maybe less. I don't know. So guys, I need to leave the house. So in 5 minutes I will end the stream, and yeah, I will upload it to YouTube. I will leave the positions. If I hit stop loss, I hit stop loss. I will try another. If I hit stop loss, another entry for a buy from here or here, that area. If it goes somewhere here, and I will take 1 or 2 positions. Again, I will close them, and that's it. Just to update you on. I mean, to close the sound and leave the screen, I believe it would be dumb. So yeah, in 5 minutes it will be a wrap. Let me put everything here. So if I hit stop loss, I will hit on all. It will be around 2 or 3K. No worries. A lot of profit have been made, because I put it here because I will drive and I won't be able to close the positions manually and do operations because I will drive it. I have put take profits here. I will put probably 1 take profit here. Yeah, I will do it before I go. And yeah. Yo, hello Bob. Good. Around 25K profit. How about you? 25%. It is more. It is actually, but trade locker lag, and I lost about 3.4K, which I have talked with Funded Pro, gave them the trading IDs, and they will check, and they might reverse those trades. And I said, just as it's stuck, like, let me remove the stop loss in order, when to fix it. But I still hit it. Yeah, luck. Yeah, I mean, if there is enough in the, yeah, I mean, oh yeah, in Monday I will do, because I will, because I had a good day today, and in the good spirit, I will give out few accounts. Maybe we put a draft or something, and yeah, that's that. So yes, we will trade, but don't come here just for the accounts. Take also the profit. If it bump, it would be 2-3K here. I mean, if you are on your brokers, you will see where I have put the. If it move up and reach the destination, then I will change the stop loss, like to break even or close something. Just to be honest with you guys. And I will post when the day close or when I finish, especially if I hit the stop loss, the result. But I believe we will get a push to 2,650. I could bet my left hand because the right I have it to click on the mouse. So if I lose the bet, at least I will be able to make some money on the side. Okay, that's it. So yeah,